Welcome back to our new vlog. So here Bagga Bhai and Vishal is fighting. Bagga is getting mad here. The crowd is going mad here. And Rahul Bhai again having handshake with me. And Bagga Bhai don't know that we make vlogs every night. So that is why he's surprised now. And here we have Bishash and Mohit ahead of everyone. And we are all here for a night walk. And after having mess, you can check the friendship of Vishal and Dinesh.
It's me.
It's me.
One and only.
The
legend.
The one and only
The
legend
coach.
bhai. The coach, the Dinesh Jorhan from Jammu and Kashmir. Basically from Bilawer, Badnota. Badnota is his village, and he's a very struggling guy doing BTech from GNE college, apart 300-400 kilometers from his home. So you can check how much hardworking he is. Vishal sir, say something to the camera. Express your thoughts.
I express my thoughts today.
Marud ki datan. And there is something smell. ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਸੁਖਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ from ਮਾਨਸਾ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਮੂਸੇਵਾਲਾ ਪਾਰਸ ਸਰੋਏ from ਮੋਗਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਨਵਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ from ਮਾਨਸਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮਾਨਸਾ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਜੰਮੂ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਬਈ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ
ਭੁਪਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ from ਬਰਨਾਲਾ
ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਆ पंजाब दे ये सभी हमारे भाई हैं and Rahul bhai is not in the looking in the camera. Vishash is very confident. Rahul brother is running from here to away from camera.
Come here bro.
And
Guys ये जो कैमरामैन है ये बदल गया हुआ है.
Yeah,
Guys,
this guy is saying that
improvement is required in life.
I request बदल गया ये. I request
yeah.
to cameraman.
Yeah. Request me, but what do you
for
want?
what thing bro?
अब मैं नहीं बता सकता.
Oh, you can't tell.
No, I can't. विशाल भाई कहाँ गया आपका?
Vishal
Well,
is
you
in
were a partner
hostel
bro.
room.
Buddy.
Hostel room.
Why?
You are buddy of your study.
Why?
I don't know why.
He's buddy of his study.
ठीक है
Buddy
bro.
for study. Buddy for study.
And they don't want vlog with me, so I am apart from them. And like it's a human nature not to be in the front of camera, and you don't have to shoot those people who don't want to be a part of your journey. So left them aside and do your work blindly, because you don't know when the God will help you and you will be able to achieve your required things. So just do your work, do with the full do with the full patience, full persistence, having some emotion for your parents, respect them, follow their rules, and you will have a good growth for your career, and you will be able to do that things which are to be made for only your success, and not only success but internal happiness you will get in your life. And that happiness means a lot, like when you are in your struggling age and you don't get any type of result from your hard work, you don't feel like going ahead. You just imagine like that you are getting lost in your life and you have nothing to do. So that is why having happiness and satisfaction should be required in your life to have a good and positive life. And that's the auditorium of our college, you can check. And there is a college logo, college decoration. And rather than if I'll talk you about that, why to conclude about your happiness, like after having success, so many people do take their life and having suicide cases ahead. So that is just because of not happiness in your career. And if you don't have satisfaction with your career, like what you have achieved, you can't do anything. Like because inner satisfaction is required. Even after having so much of things, if you don't have any satisfaction with your work, so you are just useless. So try to be satisfied with your work and feels good about things happening. Accept everything and try to rise yourself every day, because the growth is required every day. When you wake up, every day when you sleep, you don't have any thought of regretting. You just have the mindset of getting over it, and that's all required in the life. So basically that is the main motive of the human life. And just the surrounding will be normal. They will just judge you, say something bad to you, but you just have to do is the ignore and do whatever you want, and try to follow that path, because you don't know at what phase of life you will be over, at what phase of life your hard work will be over, at what phase of life you will have a glorious life. So that is why every step is important to remember, to recall after having that things. And in life that all is required, to have that perseverance in the life.
What are you muttering, bro?
And
I am
he
not
doesn't-
able to understand. What are you muttering?
he doesn't understand, because he is climbing the ongoing train. So he must be a part of the from the first journey to the end, and so that he can easily understand whatever I said. Dinesh brother, wanna you say something?
About what?
Anything that comes in your mind, try to speak in English. Improve your communication skills, boost up your
But I
English
have no-
knowledge,
right now
and
I
you
have
will
no
be able
idea.
to speak
How to speak?
anything that comes in your mind.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I don't have any idea.
Okay, brother. Okay.